Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple home remedy, a natural and effective remedy using two natural products for exfoliating your skin. These two products is going to help exfoliate and give you a radiant and younger look. It's going to get rid of all the dead skin cells, giving room for a new and fresher tissues to grow. If this is your first time stopping by, please click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video interesting and useful, please share it with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up if you like it. Sugar helps to balance the oil in the skin. It helps prevent your skin from being too dry or too oily. Sugar contains anti-aging properties that is going to help reduce the aging process of your skin, giving you a younger and fresher look. Sugar is going to help radiate and glow your skin. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidant properties, it's rich in antibacterial properties, it's also rich in anti-inflammatory properties, and it contains potassium, calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. Lemon is also very rich in vitamin C, which is going to help treat the acne because of its ascorbic acid content. It's going to help tone your skin because of its toning properties. It's going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells. It's going to give you a radiant and younger look. It's going to help grow new and fresher tissues on your skin. Tablespoons of granulated sugar, 4. We'll use our lemon to dip into the sugar. So this remedy is quite very easy. All you need to do is dip the lemon into the sugar and use it to scrub on your skin. Scrub it in a circular motion, gently, not too rough, but very gently. This is going to help exfoliate your skin, getting rid of all the dirt in your clogged skin pores, going to give room for new and healthier tissues to grow. Just keep scrubbing for about 5 minutes. Scrub it just like that. Don't be too harsh, just take it very gently. Scrub for 5 minutes, then you leave this to sit on you for 15 minutes, after which you wash it off with water. You repeat this remedy about twice in a week, then for 3 weeks, and I bet you're going to get an excellent result. After the 15 minutes, you just wash it off with water. Please try this at home and drop your comment in the comment section below. And if you found this video interesting and useful, please share it with your friends and loved ones. And click on the subscribe button below if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new and interesting videos like this on this channel. So guys, this is all there is to this video. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.